Once you can put it down, even for a single minute, your whole existence will be transformed. You will enter into a new dimension, the dimension of weightlessness. And that's what I am going to give you. Wings into the sky, into the heaven. Weightlessness gives you those wings, and roots into the earth. A groundedness, a centering. This earth and that heaven, both are two parts of the whole. In this life, your so-called ordinary life, you must be rooted. And in your inner space, into the spiritual life, you must be weightless and flying and flowing, floating. Roots and wings I can give to you if you allow, because I am only a midwife. I cannot force the child out of you, and a forced child will be ugly, and a forced child may die. Just allow me. The child is there. You are already pregnant. Everybody is pregnant with God. The child is there, and you have carried already too much. Long before the period of 9 months has passed, that may be the root cause of your anguish, that you are carrying something in the womb which needs birth, which needs to come out, which needs to be born. Think of a woman, a mother, carrying a child. After the 9th month, then it becomes more and more burdensome. And if the birth is not going to happen, the mother will die, because it will be too much to bear. That may be the reason why you are so much in anxiety, anguish, tension. Something needs to be born out of you. Something needs to be created out of your womb. I can help. This Samadhi Sadhana Sivir, this camp for inner ecstasy and enlightenment, is going just to be a help for you, so that that which you have carried like a seed up to now can come out of your soil and become a alive thing, a live plant. But the basic thing will be, if you want to be with me, you cannot be with your mind. Both cannot happen simultaneously. Whenever you are with your mind, you are not with me. Whenever the mind is not there, you are with me. And I can work only if you are with me. Empty the cup, throw the cup completely, destroy it. This camp is going to be in many ways different. This night, I start a completely new phase of my work. You are fortunate enough to be here, because you will be witness of a new type of inner work. I must explain to you, because tomorrow morning the journey starts. 3 times you will be doing meditation: in the morning, the dynamic; in the afternoon, the kirtan; and in the night a new meditation has to be introduced: Sufi dervish dancing. All these 3 meditations are fragments of one whole. The first meditation which you will be doing in the morning is related with the rising sun. It is a morning meditation. When the sleep is broken, the whole nature becomes alive. The night has gone. The darkness is no more. The sun is coming up. Everything becomes conscious and alert. So this first meditation is a meditation in which you have to be continuously alert, conscious, aware. Whatsoever you do, the first step breathing, the second step catharsis, the third step the mantra, Mahamantra, who, but remain a witness. Don't get lost. It is easy to get lost. While you are breathing, you can forget. You can become so much one with breathing that you can forget the witness. But then you miss the point. Breathe as fast, as deep as possible. Bring your total energy to it, but still remain a witness. Observe it, what is happening, as if you are just a spectator, as if the whole thing is happening to somebody else, as if the whole thing is happening in the body and the consciousness is just centered and looking. This witnessing has to be carried in all the 3 steps. And when everything stops, and in the 4th step you have become completely inactive, frozen,